Logan, you are so incredibly beautiful. My love for you has never been stronger. You really mean the world to me, and I am so very proud to call you mine. There are so many things I love about you. Your love, your kindness, your heart, your willingness to be a kid with me. No matter how serious things are, you are always willing to be goofy. You are able to see the bright side of anything and are always there for me when I need you most. You never back down from anything, and you will always step outside your comfort zone if you know it will make me happy. You make so many sacrifices for me and to better our lives, and that does not go unappreciated. These reasons are only the beginning of why I love you so much. You are truly the love of my life, my soulmate, my person. I thank you so much for being such a wonderful and caring person, even in the moments it's hard. You always put others above yourself and help so many people. You are the most strong and independent person I've ever met, and I cannot be any more proud of you. Thank you for all the things you've done for me and all the things you continue to do. I'm so excited for us to start this next chapter of our lives. From today on, I vow to be your husband, your rock, your partner, your best friend, and whatever you need me to be. I will always be there for you and do everything in my power to make you happy. I will always love you with all my heart. You deserve the world, and I will always try my hardest to give you that. We will go through hard times, and that's okay because I know nothing can stop us when I have you by my side. You are my best friend, and I could not imagine another day without you. I have fallen more and more in love with you every day since we started dating on February 19th, 2016. All 3,101 days have been a dream come true for me. I won't trade a single second for the world. From today on, I will be so very proud to call you my wife, and will always stand by your side. And for now and for the rest of our lives, I love you.
Jaden, being with you has brought me nothing but joy, full of laughs, memories, and growth as individuals, separately and together. From the moment I asked you to wear your high school football jersey, I knew there was something extraordinary about you. We have created the kind of love that a lot of people do not get to experience. But loving you came so natural and so effortless. I love how passionate you are about the things that excite you. I love how seamlessly you fit into my family. I love how often you remind me of how smart and capable I am. And I love the way that you take care of my family and friends. And most of all, I love that we grew up together and that I had the privilege to watch you transform into this magnetic, loving, loyal, and amazing man. I am so honored to call you my lifetime partner, my best friend, my better half, and my happiest place in the world. Your kindness, your strength, your sense of humor, and your boundless love have changed my life in ways that I could not have imagined. I am so grateful for your deep caring and understanding. You believe in me in times that I do not believe in myself, and I am eternally grateful for your encouragement to push my limits of my comfort zone and to be the best version of myself. As your wife, I promise to love you unconditionally, without hesitation. I will stand by you when life is rewarding and stand even closer when it's challenging. I will be your faithful partner, your loyal supporter, and your biggest fan. I promise to support your dreams and continue to build a fun and full life together. I promise to learn with you and to grow with you, even as time and life changes. I promise to respect you, to honor you, and to always be honest with you. There will never be enough days on this earth, but I promise to love you for every single one of them. I am yours completely and entirely. Becoming your wife feels more right than anything ever has. I am so blessed to have you in my life, and I look forward to every moment of our future together. You are my favorite yesterday, my daily peace, and my excitement for every tomorrow. There is no greater comfort than knowing that you will be by my side to share what life has to offer. So today, I take you, Jaden, to be my husband. I choose you today, every day, and in every moment. Together, we will build a home filled with laughter, love, and understanding. And when we grow old, I will cherish every moment we spent together because our love is once in a lifetime. And if tomorrow isn't promised, I can live with peace knowing that I got to love you today. And when death takes my hand, I will hold you with the other and promise to find you in every lifetime, because our love story is too infinite for just this one. I love you so much, and I will always say I do. Perfect. It's like a glove.